both of you, I spoke to you when the show just came out, and the kind of bouquets, like Harshad Mehta's character says, I don't want the brickbats, I don't want the bouquets either, but इसमें तो बहुत bouquets मिल रहे हैं. I hope you're both accepting it with open arms.
Oh yes, we both are actually overwhelmed. I mean, there are a lot of bouquets that even sometimes Shreya comes here that I don't have space at my place. Sometimes I go there that I don't have space at my place.
Awesome. It's pretty awesome, yeah. It's really cool.
So now that the show is out, everybody's watched it. I also sat through, would I say it's actually 10 mini films in itself, yeah? It's like 10 episodes. I mean, were you anticipating this success? And of course, I've been seeing the headbanger rap and everything happening along with it.
That was Shreya's idea. That was Shreya's idea.
Yeah, that's true.
आपका inner rapper, actually rap तो ये भी बहुत अच्छा करते हैं.
No. He meant about the headbanging and the crazy enough. All those crazy ideas are all mine. That's what he means.
So, but both of you, I mean, this success, I mean, never has a scam been received with such love, no? Scam is a good word now.
I know. So I guess scam gave all of us, in fact, those who are involved in this entire show, everybody, I guess a big milestone in our lives.
Yeah, it really is. It really is. None of us ever saw this coming.
And nobody can stop talking about you. So when you were making it, did you realize that this would be the top headline? There would be love pouring from all quarters, and nobody has kept quiet, including the worst of critics are raving about it. Like there are critics who have never anything good to say about anything but this scam 1992.
Yeah, so actually I want to call this year Scamdemic.
I like that.
I like that.
That sounds nice. Prateek should be the official coiner of like words.
What's up? So, but honestly, Shreya, both of them asking you, I mean, when you both set out to make it, playing Harshad Mehta and Sucheta Dalal, did you even anticipate, or did you feel that, yeah, we are making a movie about a person, about two people, let's see where it goes?
No, I mean, we didn't think that while we were making...
I was excited.
Yeah. While we were making, we didn't think like, we're about to change the world, this is going to change our life, you know, things are going to happen in like a monumental way. While we were making, more clearly, we were just excited and grateful ki yaar opportunity mil gaya and we just have to do our best. And we were excited to play these characters. We didn't like anticipate the result.
Prateek, what about you?
Yeah, so only one thing in our mind is that it's going to be a very, very good product that we'll be able to take pride of, to be a part of such thing, to have worked with Hansal Mehta itself is a big thing for all of us. Like for all the actors, you know, involved, we all were looking up to him since a long time. Like मैंने तो जब से वो अलीगढ़ देखी थी, शाहिद देखी थी, latest when I saw Amirta also, I was constantly thinking that एक बार ऐसा मौका मिलेगा ना, when I can work with him, you know. So for me, that was it. That was the biggest high point.
And let me be honest, both of you, Shreya, I've known since the first film. I did that interview with her as well, and we've been talking. So the first time I spoke to you was Scam. Now suddenly you are the two most wanted people, and wanted in a nice way. How has it changed for you? Because everyone, including like my father, came and said, who are these two bright actors? Why haven't I seen them before? They are just so brilliant. Where were they? And this is what I've been getting from a whole lot of people. Like, where were these two like gems? Now, how has it changed for the two of you?
Prateek will take this.
So it changed a lot of things for us because, you know, I used to believe also, and now I guess it has proved again for me and for Shreya also, I can say that you have to create one success story for the world to notice you, for the world to, you know, be interested in your journey also, or whatever that you are given in your life, be it anything, hard work, struggle, or whatever that you. Because uske pehle, so unless you are successful, nobody's interested in the story. So that's very interesting to know. And now the world around us has changed completely upside down. So there are a lot of offers, there are a lot of scripts which are being offered. And suddenly it is so overwhelming that we have to take a step back that okay, just wait, let us just process all these things and then revert to whatever is happening around.
Shreya, what about you?
No, it's the same. Yeah. That's why I said Pratik will answer, because it's, we are talking to people and things are a little bit more receptive, and it's amazing what commercial success can do, but we are going to take our time and hopefully do good stories, good characters. So whenever that happens.
So anyways, एक scam का इंतजार था. एक और चीज मैं दोनों से पूछना चाहती हूँ. You have an engineering background. Now ये engineers कैसे actors बन जाते हैं? Like engineering में they teach, like in school, college they teach acting also. I have only been meeting engineers who've turned filmmakers and actors. What is it about engineers and film, the craft of filming?
तो engineers का तो ऐसा है कि they can do anything. But yeah, I guess maybe a lot of passionate people out of this the stereotype thought process of the society that either you have to become an engineer or doctor or CA. इसके अलावा तीसरा कोई field है ही नहीं where you can expect a steady life. So that's how there are a lot of people getting into all these things. And when the passion calls, you can't stop yourself. So that's how they change the gears.
आप बताओ श्रेया.
No, I mean, it's the same experience. It's true, because I feel like, yeah, it teaches you a lot of things. Engineering is, again, but Pratik and I did it because we really liked it. I don't know about the other, we can't speak for other people. But yeah, it, hopefully gives us a lot of tools, literally and otherwise, and then we're here.
So now coming to playing the two characters that you played, they're real life characters, but I saw.
I want to add one thing.
Ji.
Yeah, to add one thing, that engineering is not just a degree; it's a way of life. It's the way you think, and that's what I personally believe. It changes your thought process about the world around you, about whatever that you do.
Ji.
It gives you 360-degree point of view for anything that you do. So I guess that helped me a lot in my personal life also, and me as an actor also.
And since you're both playing two real life characters, I know Harshad Mehta is no more, but I saw the mannerisms, which he had this particular way he used to wave his hands. And when he used to sit, I've seen the old interviews, he used to shake his leg, which you have adopted. And like with Sucheta Dalal, when I saw Shreya in the editorial meeting, I said, I actually thought she was meant to be sitting in an editorial meeting, phone call, aapne chai pi, acha ye main kyun karu? It just all seems so natural. Did you both observe these people pick up their mannerisms, but sometimes actors also interpret the character the way they see it? So what was it like playing these two characters?
So this also was...
Yeah, you waiting for me?
Again, I'll answer for all of us, because we are all playing characters based on real life people who've lived rich, wonderful lives, and we were supposed to portray these well-lived lives, right? And yeah, you're right. There are a lot more interviews and a lot more footage of Harshad Mehta, but there's only so much that you can gauge from Sucheta Dalal, right? We don't know how she is inside her workplace or in her personal life. But this is where Hansal and the writers get a lot of credit. First of all, because there's so much material and so much, the text was so rich that helped us. Then Arun with his costume, and then the set design and production. So we just, like, I feel like Pratik, me, and the rest of the cast, we just, we did the least amount of work compared to all our technicians and our crew. So they gave us such a rich foundation to sort of immerse ourselves into. And Hansal gave us some very valuable advice when we started out. He told us, just forget about mimicking. Your mannerisms, don't need to copy anything. Just make sure that it's coming from a place that is true and believable from inside. So when you start portraying something like that, it will seem natural. It will seem lived. So that's what we went for.
And Pratik, what about you? Because, I'll be honest, Harshad Mehta, like, we all know what he did, but at the end of the show, I had tears streaming down because I felt bad, because I was already a reporter when he died. I didn't know what had happened. He was just a headline for all of us. But seeing that, I was like, oh my God, he didn't deserve that. So sometimes we're trying to humanize the character. He wasn't all black or white. He was just a normal man who made use of the system. What was your interpretation?
So as you correctly said, that we just tried to humanize him, that he was a human being. I never approached him like a hero or a villain. We never wanted to make him hero or villain. And we never wanted to up this character from one particular angle, so that the audience gets primed when they watch it, subconsciously, you started feeling for the person and all. But what our attempt was to approach the character from a neutral perspective, make him more human, so that the actual moral dilemma can be displayed. Where at a lot of places you should feel that he's wrong, and immediately in the next moment you feel for him.
Yeah.
It's for people around us also.
True.
Do the same for some of my friends who at one point I feel that this is wrong. You're not supposed to do it, but then I still feel.
और वैसे जब आप दोनों सुचेता और हर्षद प्ले कर रहे थे, which was that scene that you had to audition for, as that look test and everything happened? That
Oh yeah, what was your audition scene? Yeah, Prateek. I don't think anybody asked your audition scene.
Okay, like yours, my audition scene is also not there in the series.
Oh no, mine is there, na. Mine was the opening first season ka first episode.
Yours is there. Okay, yeah.
Oh, you're sitting in that
For season
office.
That entire
My
10-minute
scene.
sequence was my audition scene.
Wow.
Yeah.
And my
It
audition was
intense.
when Harshad is trying to get into inside BS,
Arey, haan, this
And
got cut, na?
trying to convince the watchman. This got cut.
Correct.
We
I remember.
it got cut during the finalization of the script itself.
Oh. But I mean, I'm again coming to this. Also the Rokada, as I had spoken to Prateek last. He says people think I'm a Gujarati. I would know a lot about stocks and all. I know nothing about Rokada. But the way you've been talking stocks and like her character also UPI, LIC and all, are you now well versed with the workings of the stock market, both of you? I mean, kar paoge kuch thoda?
The macro view of the process, yes, but I have not even got that confidence that I should go and invest. But yes, I'm intrigued to know. मैंने 15 शेयर खरीदे हैं अभी, कोई एक 15 शेयर खरीदे हैं just to try के कैसे होता है वैसे.
What about you?
Oh no. I see, because with the terms and all the things that we were talking about, the technical financial jargon, it should seem like we knew what we were talking about. So all the things that we've spoken about in the show, we know, which is 20, 30 years old information, by the way. So now, no. You ask us something about physics or maths, we'll help you.
Wow, engineers, yes, of course, I forgot that. And what I
we
like,
can still help. Yeah, there.
and what I liked in the end, was like what had happened to Harsha and also Sucheta. The first shot starts with her on that Purana wala phones that we had, and then you have the Chota mobile. Things had progressed, and her expression when she's told what has happened is just like impassive. One doesn't know what was going on in her head. What was that scene like for you, Shreya?
Okay, honestly, I really like that. I really like that because Harshad and I, it's so funny that for Harshad and I mean not Harshad and I, Harshad and Sucheta had a very tumultuous relationship. So
True.
What Hansel and I had talked about for that particular scene was something that it's so funny that you touched upon this, because nobody has asked us this in the interview. So yeah, because I mean, she was connected to this man for better or worse throughout his life and her life. And when she gets the news, there is obviously Hansel and I talked about portraying something. And it is impassive. But what she's going through, I'm not going to tell, because let it be. Just let it be unknown.
And it's true. It's just let it be. I mean, I wanted to know, lady, what are you feeling?
Yeah,
Because
I'm not going to say. Pooja, I'm not going to say. Let it stay like that. It's
And
a very
Prateek, honestly,
fantastic thing you touched upon, by the way.
Yeah, because I was wondering, ye hua, and I'm like this, and I'm looking at her and but it's a reporter's job and you've played it well. It's just that impassive face. But Prateek, after you've played Harshad Mehta, lived his life, what did you take away from it?
I took away an interesting insight, which I guess had been taught to us since ages. Yeah, that you keep a close watch on your dreams, because you would not know when it will get converted into greed, and you'll become a slave of your dream. So that's a very, very scary situation. It happens around us all the time. We see somebody, getting into it so closely, but when it comes to I mean, when it happens to your own self, it is very difficult for you to realize.
True. And let me tell you, this is perhaps the first series that I have seen that nobody's raised objections. Nahi to families, people know saying, "Nahi, ye theek nahi hai." I just feel it just chronicles some things in a very non-judgy way. But you know, the way it happens with real life stories. So have you got feedback from Sucheta Dalal or anybody from the Mehta family, both of you? Have you heard of anything?
Mehta family, Pratik will have to say. But Sucheta has liked the show and my performance and our performances. So that's pretty good.
So no, I haven't heard directly anything from the family yet. But I guess after that CNN interview, CNBC interview, somebody messaged me that the family has liked it, and they felt that at least the Harshad's point of view came out, at least is what I have heard. I'm not sure because I have not got any direct comments from them.
Wow. I think maybe closure that they also need. अब सोचो अगर ये स्कैम अब होता तो क्या होता?
तो बहुत
इस
बड़ा होता
जमाने
है और
में
बहुत
न्यूज
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड
हेडलाइंस और स्कैम
नहीं, ये न्यूज हेडलाइंस और मतलब अभी के मीडिया सीन में अगर ये होता तो वैसे भी बहुत बड़ा होता. And I guess with the kind of technology that we are using, with the kind of digitization that we are using, digital world, it would have been even more complex for anybody to even decode.
That's true. And plus, you know, we still have a lot of scams happening. So pick your favorite scam.
Literally. So Sucheta, I mean, Dalal at this time would have been just like, because I like the way she says, my sources, I only have my typewriter and I have my sources. Aajkal to you have your little phone and you can write whatever you want to. Source kaun dekhta hai? So these are the interesting nuances I picked up. So, which is true. I mean, I belong to that industry. Yeah. So इश्क है तो रिस्क है तो इश्क है. आप दोनों क्या adhere करते हो personally?
No. I think all the fun, all the things that have a little bit of ishq have a little risk in them. Yeah, they do.
Yeah. So risk and ishq is, I guess, that's how it is. You know, it goes hand in hand.
Directly proportional.
Yeah, directly proportional. Risk is directly proportional to ishq.
Yes.
But I'm just very, very happy for you personally. And it's my second interview now, but the first of the two of you together. And it deserves all the love. And you two deserve all that's coming your way. Now what? What is that one change you both want to see happening? Because I'm sure there are a lot of Pratiks and Shreya waiting for that moment as well. And I'm just very happy you're getting your due.
Yeah, we're also very grateful.
So I think I really want to see this.
Yeah. We just want to, we're also very curious to see what happens next, honestly, because we just want more opportunities. Everything else is bonus, you know.
Which is the two real life characters you
so for us also, and as you correctly said, that there are a lot of Pratiks and a lot of Shreyas waiting for that one particular break. So I really feel, all fingers crossed, I pray that things change for good for all of us, a lot of other actors, and makers also start getting into this dialogue and taking this dialogue seriously. The risk hai to ishq hai. So start taking risk with new talent around.
No, that's true. Yeah, because this is something Pratik and I also were talking about. Pratik, I and Hansal actually, that hopefully our show has made it okay for people to take that chance on that unknown person. And I mean that not just in terms of actors, even in terms of technicians. Just it's okay that they don't have like a connection or a powerful surname, or they don't look the way they're supposed to look, or they haven't done the hi-fi work, whatever your reason is for not hiring that person behind the camera or in front of the camera. I hope our show is an example ki yaar, you never know. So go take that risk, hire the talent, hire the skill, nurture the skill, nurture people.
I totally agree with you. And also another good thing that I've liked, the pandemic has been bad, but it's been a kind of a leveler. It does not matter whether you do films, TV or series. An actor is an actor. I am enjoying that. There are no demarcations now.
Which is very, very true.
So more power to the two of you. Have a happy Diwali. And
happy Diwali.
Yeah, and I can feel 2020 is changing for the better. The wheels are turning.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I hope so.
Anyways,
So
I won't say more scams to you, but it's a good scam. Yeah, more success to you. As
more
Satish
such scams
character
to us.
says, मैं सिर्फ profit देखता हूँ. So चलो, profit लाभ ही
So
लाभ हो.
हाँ मतलब लाभ ही लाभ हो, प्रॉफिट दिखता है तो हर कोई झुकता है. So happy Diwali.
Exactly. Happy Diwali.
Said like a true Rokra insan. Thank you so much, guys, and very, very happy for the two of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you
Bye.
so much, Pooja.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank
Bye,
you.
everyone. Thank you.
Bye.